Hello, good morning everyone. Today, let us discuss about the important reactions of amine, that is carbolamine test. So, this carbolamine test, which is used to distinguish the primary and secondary amine or primary and tertiary amines. It means this test gives the positive test for only primary amines, for not secondary and tertiary amines. We will discuss now. Carbolamine test. In this reaction, primary amines reaction with the chloroform plus 3 moles of alcoholic KOH. Then formation of isocyanide plus 3KCl plus 3H2O, it will be formed. So here I took ethanamine. Ethanamine is reaction with the chloroform as well as alcoholic KOH in the presence of heat. Okay. Ethyl isocyanide it will be formed. Ethyl isocyanide it will be formed. It has unpleasant odor. It will form unpleasant odor. By this odor only, means by this smell only, we can identify in the given compounds are primary amines. Actually, primary amines not only aliphatic, aromatic primary amines also give the positive carbolamine test. For example, if you take aniline, aniline reaction with the chloroform plus 3 moles of alcoholic KOH, then formation of, in the presence of heat, phenyl isocyanide it will be formed. This is called phenyl isocyanide it will be formed. Okay, right. So plus 3 moles of KCl plus 3 moles of H2O it will be formed. So how this reactions takes place? We will discuss the mechanism. Why isocyanide is forming here? We will discuss the mechanism. That is why for primary aliphatic and aromatic only, why not secondary and tertiary? We will discuss by the mechanism. Okay. So in the carbolamine test, give the positive test for aliphatic primary amines as well as aromatic primary amines also it will be given. Okay. So see, tell me, this test only for aliphatic and aromatic primary amines only, not for secondary and tertiary aliphatic or aromatic amines. Only primary amines only will give the test, positive test, not for secondary and tertiary amines. Okay. Now we will discuss the mechanism of carbolamine test. See, in the carbolamine test, the byproducts are 3 moles of KCl, 3 moles of water it will be formed. How it will be formed? Clearly I will explain. Just to see. Now we will discuss mechanism. Mechanism of carbolamine test. Actually here chloroform. Here involvement of chloroform plus 3 moles of KOH, that too alkyl KOH. See, the first step, chloroform, it has one proton which is attracted by the nucleophile. Then here water molecule form. Potassium ion which can accept the one chlorine. Then K cell will be eliminated. See, then formation of an important intermediate. This is dichlorocarbon. Dichlorocarbon. So you see, here actually in this reaction, 3 moles of KCl, 3 moles of water it will be formed. So already 1 mole of water and 1 mole of KCl is eliminated. Then now you take primary amine. I am taking generally, R means alkyl or you can take general reaction I am taking here. R NH2 primary amine. This primary amine has lone pair of electron. This lone pair of electron attack to the dichlorocarbon. Here dichlorocarbon will act as a electrophile. Then formation of so this is the product is formed. Here carbon has negative charge which can accept the proton, and these bond neutralize the positive charge. Okay. From this molecule, one KCl eliminated by potassium dimethylchloride from here. Then formation of R. From this molecule, the proton is attracted by the nucleophile. Then the bond of hydrogen is neutralize the positive charge. Then formation of see here again this chloride is attracted by the KCl, potassium, then KCl is eliminated. So here also one water molecule eliminated. So this is the second one, first water molecule, second one. This is first KCl. This is second one. This is third one. And then formation of R. and this nucleophile same attack the proton from here. Here water molecule eliminated. This is the third one. Here first one water molecule, second one, third one. KCl first one, second one, third one. So here RNC, isocyanide is formed. Alkyl isocyanide will be formed. It has unpleasant odor. Okay. So this test is possible by only primary amines only. Okay. Secondary and tertiary amines are not possible. Why? The simple and major reason, the first reason you remember, okay, secondary and tertiary amines having insufficient hydrogens to react with the chloroform as well as alcoholic KOH. What I am telling you, insufficient hydrogen to react with the chloroform and alcoholic KOH. Okay, so due to this reason, secondary and tertiary amines does not give the positive carbolamine test. It given by only primary amines only. You remember that thing. Okay, primary aliphatic as well as aromatic. Okay. Now one question we'll discuss now. The question is that which are the following gives a carbolamine test? Which are the following gives carbolamine test? The option is that see, in the given four options, which are the following gives positive gives carbolamine test? Positive carbolamine test. So in the given four options, see here NH means secondary amine. So here tertiary amine. Here also NH secondary amine. Here tertiary amine. So here NO2 group is there as well as NH2 group is there. So the NH2 group gives the, it has the primary amines. Okay, it gives positive add-on test. Positive carbolamine test. Positive carbolamine test. Okay, so then your option is second one. Okay, so by this question you can remember, we can prepare positive carbolamine test only for primary amine, not for secondary and tertiary amine. Okay, due to the reason is that to undergo this reaction insufficient hydrogen at secondary and tertiary amine.